This is the Pug Bundler. It's a very specific solution to a very specific problem that ended up turning into an extremely extensible bundler that can be used for pretty much anything. Toolkits like gulp.js are great for a lot of things. Bundlers like Parcel are great for a lot of things. But neither of them are built to integrate well with the internals of a compiler like the Pug compiler. The Pug Bundler, on the other hand, is built specifically to handle the internals of Pug, but is so extensible that it can handle anything, with some additional custom implementation. Asset types each have their own customizable modules, and it's very easy to implement your own. Everything is extensible and easily overridable, making it highly customizable, but easy to use with plenty of out-of-the-box functionality. All of the code is concise and, of course, open source. Let's go through a quick demonstration as to how this works. Here I have a sample directory set up here called test. Inside it has test.js, and then our source folder that contains a sample website. So if I just run this code right here by typing in node test.js, well, it's going to go through, and you can see all of these files that got turned into these other files. If we look in our dist folder, we'll see that the directory structure was kept, and we have these files that were compiled here. Index.html from index.pug. Some of these weren't though, and that's because only the files that were referenced by the files that were included here actually got taken through. So if I were to take away these, I could actually get all of those to go through. I could also just specify source over here and get that entire directory brought in at once. If I want to require a special asset over here, like this pug compile asset, which takes our pug and compiles but does not render it, that's something that very few bundlers can do. I can specify that right here with very little code, include it very simply, and it'll override any functionality that's built in, making it extremely extensible.